Hi there. Check out the Lisuden Set of 2 American elegant retro country-style bar chairs, perfect for any space. These stools feature a natural solid wood seat with a hip-shaped curve for comfortable sitting. The edges are finely polished to keep your hands safe and smooth. Their unique wrought iron frames are durable, with high-temperature baking paint to resist rust. Each stool has an adjustable non-slip rubber pad to protect your floors and balance on uneven surfaces. Designed with a stylish, simple look, they fit great indoors at bars, kitchens, patios, or cafes. You get 2 26.8-inch tall backless stools that slide easily under your kitchen island. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.